In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use NotebookLM to make video-free video in minutes discovery. To begin, open NotebookLM in your browser and go into the notebook you want to work with. In this example, the notebook contains a topic and sources already loaded, which is important because NotebookLM creates outputs based on the material inside your notebook. If you want a more accurate result, make sure your sources are relevant and clear before you generate anything. Once you are inside the notebook, click on Highlight. This is the starting point for turning your source-based content into something you can use for a video. Highlight is where you choose the type of output you want NotebookLM to create. Next, select Explainer, which is described as a structured, comprehensive overview that connects the dots within your sources. Choosing Explainer is useful when you want a deeper explanation, because it expands the topic in a way that gives you more content to work with. This also tends to make your final video longer, since the output includes more context and detail pulled from the sources. After that, click on English to set the language for your generated content. Then click on English again in the next language selection area. This ensures the output is generated in English and that your settings are consistent. When you are satisfied with the language selection, click the check mark to confirm and apply it. Now move to choose Visual Style. This is where you decide the look and feel for the visuals associated with your generated video content. Select the visual style that fits your topic and the tone you want. A consistent style will make the final result feel more polished and easier to watch. Once the visual style is chosen, click Highlight again. This keeps you in the right workflow for generating the video content using the settings you just confirmed, including the explainer format, language, and the visual style you selected. Next, click Generate. NotebookLM will begin creating the content based on your sources and the options you chose. Give it a moment to process, especially if the explainer output is longer. Finally, click Sync. This helps align and update the generated results so everything matches your current selections and is ready to use as a video-ready output. That covers everything you need to know.